Day in my life as a student in Muntinlupa National High School. Completion of Mida!
Dito, do sino man mapipili. Magagaling yan sa basic education curriculum. After 3 days,
the presentation, attestation, and confirmation of completeness. We now arrive at the ceremony. The presentation of the candidates completion by all.
okay po? Mag-GL ka dito in the strength, in the section, in the strength, transition program, student leader, pangalan. Together with the class advisor, GI, report.
Exit of honors ay yung pinapractice namin.
Diba? Nakahabol ka. Pagkakita ko talaga. Today's program would not be possible without the continuous support and cooperation of the following.
The completion ceremony is Stacy Dos Santos.
Miss Saika,
Exit na, exit na.
salamat sa ating mga sound system personnel.
Nakakwenta. The practice is done. And ito na naman tayo sa pinakailang oras na tinulang kwentang oras. So yeah, spare muna tayo. Okay. Anyways, let's go. Ano, papasukan na. Tara, kita yun.
Nah, it's a prank.
Ano? Oo, sige, akong bahala sa'yo. Tara, pre, ako tayo. Ito yung pinaka-walang oras na ilang oras, ilang ano, diba? As a student in Muntinlupa National High School.
3, go.
Sa Muntinlupa National High School. Completion in
Nag-lip sync sila.
Day in my life as a student in Muntinlupa National High School. Completion in Doon tayo